Hello parents, this is your first and second grade teacher, and I'm making this video as a helpful resource for you to have and as a way for me to communicate with you. Some of the things we will cover in this video are weekly folders, daily folders, homework, behavior, and some of what we were going to learn in Bible this year. So first, weekly folders are sent home every Monday. And they look like this. The right side says keep at home. So you will keep these papers at home. The left side says return to school. And you'll see this weekly report. I did a sample of one where you have the student's name, the date, how many D's or F's if they had any, and if they missed any homework, and any comments that I may put. My signature, and then I'll have you sign at the bottom for me, and please return on Tuesdays. This is a great way for us to communicate about your child's grades and have any comments back and forth. The second folder that I will be sending is the daily folder. I will not be sending the binders home every day anymore. I'm going to keep them in class for their papers, but I will be sending their weekly their everyday folder where they will find their homework and any other papers that I will be sending home. Same thing on the left side. It should say, on the right side, it should say keep at home. So any papers that your child is gonna keep at home. And on the right side is going to say return to school. What you will find on this daily folder are a couple of items. You're going to find the behavior report. You're going to find a specific behavior report. I may or may not put that there. Depends if it would be helpful to you. The homework, organized. What's the homework for Monday, Tuesday? No homework on Wednesdays. No homework on Fridays, but Thursday. For second graders and for first graders next week, the spelling homework with the spelling list. So spelling list number 3, and any other paper, but those are going to be the papers that you're going to find on your daily folder in your student's backpack. Please make sure you check that out every day, and also their book is going to be in their backpack, so make sure they do their book homework. There's homework every Monday, every Tuesday, and every Thursday. No homework on Wednesdays or Fridays. Next, I wanted to cover behavior. How does behavior work in my classroom? How do I reward behavior? How do I bring consequences for behavior? Our class has a behavior color chart. Everybody starts on green, ready to start. If the student disobeys one of the rules of the classroom, for example, working with excellence, they're not doing their work, or they're complaining about their work, or they're copying someone else's work, then they're not working with excellence, and they will get a first verbal warning. If they don't heed the warning, their clip moves down to yellow, which is slowed down. And yellow brings consequences. They get 5 minutes off of recess. If they continue to disobey that rule, then they get another verbal warning, and if they do not heed it, they move down to orange, which is teacher's choice. I get to choose a consequence for them. Last, if they continue not to heed that warning, and I give one more warning, and they can continue not to work with excellence, then their clip moves down to red, which is parent contact. Now, they can also move up. Let's say little Johnny is working with excellence, finishing his work, not leaving any spaces, not complaining, participating in class, and I notice that, then I congratulate them and I move their clip up to light blue. Means they're being a great role model. If they are moved to light blue by the end of the day, they get 2 stickers for their sticker chart. If they fill their sticker chart, they get something from Treasure Box. They can also move up to purple, which means I spotted them being kind to someone, or dark blue, which means they've been kind all day to everybody. I also will randomly give stickers out for students that are being role models in special classes such as art, PE, or music. If I get a good report, I will give them extra stickers. or I can remove stickers from their chart. If they are choosing not to heed my warnings when we go to specials and they're not obeying their teacher there, I can choose to remove stickers. On Fridays, we're going to do Tablet Friday, and my students that have no more than 2 days on yellow, no more than 1 day on orange, no more than 3 days on yellow, no more than 2 days on orange, or no more than 1 day on red gets to have a tablet during 30 minutes during writing class. If any student got more than 3 yellows, more than 2 oranges, or more than 1 red, then they will not be allowed to participate in tablet time. That's a way to reinforce the rules of the classroom. And we'll have periodically Friday parties, ice cream parties, and things like that for classroom rewards. Last thing that I wanted to cover is what we're learning in Bible. Along with the curriculum, we're also learning about the fruit of the Spirit. And we bought a plant. One of my parents donated a plant that we are going to be taking care of this year. And I'm going to use that plant as a springboard to teach the students about good consequences and bad consequences. When we sow hard work, we get good grades. When we don't sow hard work, we don't get good grades. When we're kind to others, others are kind to us. When we're not kind to others, they're not kind to us. When we're truth tellers, we have good friendships. When we're not truth tellers, we destroy friendships. And we'll use that as a springboard for that, to teach that, and along with the curriculum. So that is all I wanted to cover. Hope this was a helpful video. Feel free to reach out to me with any concerns, questions, comments, and all of that. Have a great afternoon.